Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to do a little tip on the clear mount stamp set and helping them stick better to your blocks by using the Cling Foam Stamp Set sticker sheet. And this is the brand new line that Stampin' Up is coming out with, starting with the Occasions catalog, which is currently active right now until June 3rd. And then June 4th, our new annual catalog for the 2019-20 annual catalog year starts on June 4th. And the line with the wood mount stamp set and the clear mount stamp sets will no longer be available. So I know a lot of my customers and myself have a lot of the clear mount stamps. And over the years we have tried many ways to help the clear mount stick better to your clear block. Now, mind you, the clear mount stamps are not clear. The clear comes from adding them to a clear block instead of a wood block. So there's still the red rubber, and also the Cling Foam stamp sets are also red rubber. So we're just going to focus on the back side of this stamp, and this one has the clear mount sticker sheet on them. And this is the issue that we've had over the years, that the sticker, once it's added to the stamp, does not cling to the clear block very well. So for instance, like this one, I do not have the sticker sheet from the Cling Foam backing on that yet, so I want to show you here. So this is a stamp with just the clear mount sticker sheet on there, and you can tell that when you put it on the block, the sticker sheet's got to be clean and your clear block has got to be pristine, clean, no glitter, no dirt, no debris, no dust, no nothing on there to get that secured, adhering to the block. Now this is temporary, but it should be staying on good enough for you to stamp and then also cling the stamp. But over the years, we found that many different ways you could add extra adhesive to the clear mount. I'm just going to show you another way that you can do it. And this tip comes from Joanne. Thank you, Joanne. I loved her tip, so I thought I would just go ahead and pass it on to you. This is the brand new Cling Foam stamp set. And these stickers in this Cling Foam are very, very sticky. So sticky that you might think they're permanent. And even when you put them in the case, you might need to use a paper piercing tool, or the Take Your Pick tool is really awesome because it's got a little spatula on it. You can actually just kind of pick up one corner, or if your nails, you can put your nail underneath there and just kind of pry that up from the case. And it's also, you have to be careful when you're removing them from the block. So you can see here, it does not move at all. So you have to be very careful when you are removing them because it's really super sticky. But it's not permanent, so that's a good thing. But like the clear mount stamps, the sticker sheet does not stick very good. So this is where the fix comes in. You're going to use the sticker sheet from the Cling Foam, the brand new design. And I'm going to use this edge here, and I've already started it because it takes a little bit of finagling, and I didn't want to waste time on camera to do this. But in between these two pieces of paper is the Cling Foam sticker. And for instance here now on this stamp, I'll just go ahead and show you how to mount your sticker to your stamp. And this one's over here. So let's go ahead and put this on. Now when you're putting on your sticker sheet, you want to make sure you're putting it in the right way on your stamp, of course. Okay, so the sticker side, now this side, I guess it's the shiny side of this sticker sheet. It's the shiny side because the other side is more dull. So always keeping that in mind. This side that's facing up is super, super sticky and it's permanent. This is the side that's going to stick onto the back of your stamp. Okay, so this is where you want to be very careful because since this is the permanent side, you want to make sure it goes on your stamp right because there's no way you could replace it or take it off once it's on. Okay, so you're just going to put your image onto the sticker, making sure it lines up, and then you're just going to peel it off, just like that. This side is really sticky, but it's not the permanent side, but it does stick really, really good. Okay, so you can see it does not come off, but this is when you want to use your fingernail or another tool to pry that off, so it comes off really nicely. All right, so keeping that in mind with your sticker sheet, keeping the shiny side facing up, and we're going to use this Wild About You from the Animal Outing stamp set, this is the clear mount. Remember, we're going to fix this back in here. So what I did is I took the edge of the sticker sheet, keeping the shiny side up, So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off a little tiny piece here. This is my shiny side, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel that off. And then this is just a little tiny square, so I'm gonna take my sticker side that I've already added the sticker onto the foam backing on the clear mount, and I'm going to stick this right over top of that sticker. Then I'm going to remove the backing. Now what's exposed is the cling foam sticker part that's not permanent, but it is really super sticky. So now when you stick it to your block, and even if it's not covering the whole stamp and it's just a little tiny piece, look how nice that is. That's not budging. I mean, but it's the center part that's holding that stamp in place to stamp and also clean your stamp set. Isn't that awesome? And with the sticker sheet still being clear, no matter if it's the clear mount or the cling foam, you can still see the image when you add your sticker over top of your clear mount stamps. So I loved your tip, Joanne. Thank you so much. Now you still got to be careful when you're peeling it off, but what a help that is. So then I would just go ahead and stick this into my case. Okay, so that's it. That's your tip of the day. And that's a big question that I get asked an awful lot on how to make our clear mount stamps stick better to our blocks. So I have done multiple videos on how to use other products to help make the clear mount stamp stick a little bit better to your clear block. And one of the favorite ways was using the 2-way glue pin. Now this pin is no longer available, but it's temporary glue when you let it air dry. And then it's permanent when you put it on when it's wet. So for instance, if I was to use the 2-way glue and just apply it to a project and then add some dazzling diamonds to it, it would be permanent. But if I put it on a project and I let it air dry before I do anything to it, it will be like a post-it note. So in one of my videos, I used the 2-way glue and I just took the clear mount stamps that weren't sticking very good, like for instance this one here, and I would just apply a little bit of the 2-way glue to the back of the stamp, and then it would air dry, and then it would cling better to your stamp as well. So I mean, there's multiple ways of making the clear mount work a little bit better, and I really do think that Stampin' Up! Has listened to us because we really wanted something that was a little bit more sturdy and more durable for stamping and cleaning our stamps. So this is where the cling foam is going to be an awesome addition to our line of products through Stampin' Up! So that was a tip for you to how to help your clear mount stamps cling a little bit better to your blocks, and I hope that helped you. And if you have any other questions, just leave them below in the comments, and then also subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link down below, click on my face, and then also don't forget to click the bell to get notified. Every time I add a new video, you'll get notified. All right, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.